sir. Here are the types of network and network topologies. First, PAN, Personal Area Network. It connects device within an individual's personal range. Example, Bluetooth connection, phone and headphone. Second, LAN or Local Area Network. Interconnects device in a limited area. Example, like home, office, or a small building. Third, CAN, Campus Area Networks. It connects multiple LANs within a limited geographical area, such as university campus or large corporate complex. Fourth, MAN, Metropolitan Area Networks. It spans a larger area, like city, connecting multiple LANs across different locations. And lastly, WAN, Wide Area Networks. It connects network over a large geographical area. Example, such as country or even the entire world. Network topology is the physical and logical arrangements of nodes and connections in a network. It describes how devices like computers, routers, and switches are connected and how data flows between them. Understanding network topology is the crucial for performance, security, and troubleshooting. There are two types of topologies. First, physical topology. This refers to the actual layout of the cables and devices. Second, logical topology. This describes how data flows through the network regardless of the physical layouts. Thank you, sir.